Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial. This is S. Pradhan. Today's session we are going to cover looping in Java. So let's start with the definition. Loops. Loops, it is the repetition of sequence until the conditions met. Means the repetition of same statement again and again. Suppose if I ask you to print hello world for 3 times, you can write print statement for 3 times. But what if I ask you to print it for 1,000 times? It will difficult, right? Don't worry, there is a loop waiting for you to do this job. First we will initialize I equal to 0, then we will give the condition that they have less than 1000, then we will increment the 1 by 1. It will print hello world for us 1,000 times. Note, if we will use for a loop when number for repetition are known, let us look another example where we print first 100 natural number. We will initialize I equal to 1. The condition is 1 should be less than or equal to 100 and it should be increased by 1. The print statement will print first 100 natural number. What if repetition are not known? Don't worry for that purpose. We have while loop. The statement inside the while loop will be executed which certain condition is true. Let us solve an example for finding factorial of unknown number. While count is less than 5 factorial as equal to factorial into count plus plus until the condition inside the while loop is true, which is less than 5. The while loop will perform the given operation 1 count. In reaches 6, the while loop will be terminated. As you can see, our output is 120. Do while loop, it is similar to while loop except if the condition is false. It will execute at least once at a time. In this program we will initialize I equal to 0 first. First, the given logic of the particular do while loop will be executed without checking any condition. When it reaches the end of the do while, the loop, which is the conditions part, if it is true, it will be executed again and again unless the condition of do while is false. Pause the video and understand the logic break statement is an easy way to end the program if the error occurs. Example, if you want to find 17 is prime or not, you can see in this program when we divide 17 by j, if the remainder is 0, then the program terminates at last. If 17 equal to j, the output statement, which is 17, gets printed. What if you don't want to end the program, instead you want to jump statement next iterations? In Java, having continued keyword which is used to jump towards the next iteration. Let us look an example. We are printing prime number between 10 and 20. We are ignoring the number if the remainder of I divided by 2 is equal to 0, and we are printing the number whose remainder is other than 0. Let's review the 3 different loops. First, the for loop. Java for loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is fixed, it is recommended to use for loop. Another loop we having while loop. The Java while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is not fixed, it is recommended to use while loop. The last loop we having do while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. Use it if the number of iteration is not fixed and you must have to execute the loop at least once. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.